The PTE Retell lecture task is a unique challenge that tests your listening and speaking skills simultaneously. You'll listen to a short lecture, usually about 60 to 90 seconds long, covering various topics like science, history, or technology. The key is to capture the main ideas and supporting details. As you listen, take mental notes or jot down keywords to help you remember the structure. Focus on the speaker's tone and emphasis, as these can hint at the importance of certain points. When it's your turn to retell, aim for clarity and coherence. Start with a brief overview, then delve into the details, ensuring you maintain a logical flow. Practice is essential. The more you engage with different lectures, the better you'll become at summarizing effectively. Remember, it's not just about repeating what you heard, but about conveying the essence of the lecture in your own words. This task not only boosts your English proficiency, but also enhances your critical thinking skills. Embrace the challenge, and you'll find yourself improving with every attempt.